Hey guys, so I want to carry along on something that I just bought. Let me quickly say before I show you all. So I bought an oven. I want to, by the time you see this video, you definitely know what I'm already starting. So I'm starting a protein snack company. You will see it as it's unfolds. So I just want to carry you guys on the behind the scene. I don't know why I'm finding it difficult to do this vlog. I don't know why. Okay, so the oven arrived. So I want to give you backstory on the oven matter because I want to share my experience so that people will know what you should expect if you're starting this kind of business. So I placed the order of this oven a few weeks back, and I saw the Instagram handle of the owner, the person that sells it on Instagram. I went through their page, everything was okay, and I decided to place an order for 5-tray oven because I wanted to start small, or I want to start small to understand the way the business will go before I invest huge amount of money into it. So I ordered for the 5-tray oven. After making payment, delivery fee, everything has been paid, only for the customer representative of this brand to reach out to me that they're about to dispatch my order, and she was sending me a dehydrator. They had to call attention to that. Oh, I don't want a dehydrator. I want an oven, not a dehydrator. I paid for it because the prices are different. So why we want to dispatch a dehydrator when the money I paid was higher than what you want to dispatch is an oven I paid for. Only for her to tell me that the oven is not available again, that the 5-tray has finished, that she just confirming. So because the 5-tray has finished, you now felt it was right to want to send me a dehydrator instead. I said, okay, since the 5-tray is not available, make a refund. I will look for somewhere else to buy. And she said, oh no, that we have to wait till the 5-tray is available till in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that is next year. And I told you I need this in urgent. That is, I want to try to sample these recipes before I launch next year. So why will you say I should wait when I already explained these things to you? You said you cannot refund that and that, except I want to buy the 7-tray oven. How much is the 7-tray oven? You call the price. I'm like, I don't have this on my budget. What I have is this 5-tray and the delivery fee. Only for you to call the 7-tray is over 200,000 naira. I did not have this thing budgeted. He said, okay. I said, okay, add it. I cannot wait for the 5-tray to be available. Will it be available to dispatch right now? You said yes. Your office in Lagos, can I come and pick up? You said no, I cannot come and pick up. Where is the oven coming from? This was after I've made payment for the 7-tray. You said it's coming from Ijebode. It was not adding up. How will the tray be coming from, oven be coming from Ijebode when your office is either in Lagos or in Kaduna? So I had to reach out to the other customer representative, the one in Kaduna, and I asked, I hope I'm chatting with the right Lagos representative. I forwarded all the chat to her. She said yes, that should not be offended. The 7-tray will be coming from Kaduna. How much is the delivery fee from Kaduna? You are calling outrageous money for me. I did not place order for this thing from Kaduna. So what do you expect me to do? He said there's nothing you can do about it, that you dispatch it immediately. But when I asked, he said it can come instantly. So why didn't you tell me it was coming from Kaduna? So I was just pissed with the whole settings. He said, you go and send it to the park now, that you send me the driver's number. And after that, they locked up communication with me. They no longer talk to me. I'm saying this here because I'm trying to share my experience as I build this brand. I knew I started Family Julie brand just like this is why I share my experience. So I'm really sharing my experience on this. So he said, they locked me up, they did not talk to me, they did not communicate with me, just forwarded me with the driver's contact. I called the driver that is bringing the load from Kaduna. How much is the delivery fee? That one said that it's 50,000 naira, that is last. Sheba is coming from north. I said I was not expecting this thing to come from the north. Why will you say that if I don't pay that they will drop it now? So I had to pay. 3 to 4 days. When will you get to my location? He said that they don't stop road to road, that they will go and stop at Beggar. When they stop at Beggar, they will call me to come and pick it up. Give me heads up so that I will know how to prepare myself to come and pick this thing. What if I'm not around? What if I'm not around Lagos? How do I pick this thing up? He said that you will call me, I should not worry this and that. I said no problem. Only for them to call me on a Friday evening that I think that was around after 5. I was just coming back from the market and I just got a call. And your load is already at Beggar. Come and pick it up now. And you that you sent the package, you did not know that you should reach out to me. Have I gotten a package or this or that? We shall said a whole lot of things, and I got to the park only for the guy at the park again. He was saying I should pay him another money. What I'm just trying to say is, I saw this oven here in Ikorodu, and I meant to buy it. As soon as I bought it here in Ikorodu, I would have saved myself 100,000 naira. But because I decided to go and buy on Instagram, and they refused to communicate with me, I added extra 100,000 buying one oven. Make do of the information as you like. But will I patronize Instagram windows? I will. I will make sure I ask all questions, because the next person that will try this thing with me will not like it. Let me show you the oven. I'm about to unbox. Since it arrived, I just kept it under the staircase. I've not really unboxed. I just left it there. So let me show you where I kept it. Then we'll go and open it outside. This is the oven. This is how I picked it up. I picked it up like this. So I'll go and unbox it outside so you people will see the inside of the oven. So that's the oven. Let me know in the comment section if it was worth it, or if it is worth the money. Just let me know. So I'm about to grill. Let's start. Let's launch it.